In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the measure tool to compare two coins effectively. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, understanding how to analyze and compare cryptocurrency performance can be invaluable for making informed decisions. So let's dive right in. First, let's make sure we have a platform to work with. Open any cryptocurrency chart. If you are using a platform like TradingView, it conveniently provides a wide range of charting tools and data to look at various cryptocurrencies. For this example, I'm using a Bitcoin chart through Binance. This provides us with a good base to understand the trends and flow of data. Once our chart is open, the next step is to use the Compare tool. This option usually appears at the top of the chart interface. By clicking on Compare, you can add a second coin of your choice to the chart. Let's say we want to compare Bitcoin with Ethereum. Simply type in the name or symbol of the second cryptocurrency, and it will be added to your existing chart. This allows you to view how both coins are performing relative to each other. Now that we have both coins on our chart, it's important to set them on the same percentage scale. Look for the setting that lets you adjust the scale, often represented as a same percent scale option. This is crucial because it normalizes the two coins and provides a fairer comparison by taking away the skew of different coin values and allowing us to focus solely on percentage changes. With our coins plotted on the same scale, we can now employ the Measure tool, commonly symbolized as a small ruler icon. This tool allows us to drag across the chart from one point to another, covering both coins. Move the ruler over key points of interest, like peaks or troughs, to ascertain the percentage difference between the two coins at those points. This can tell you how much one coin has outperformed or dropped in relation to the other at specific times. Once you've gathered the insights you need, you can tidy up your chart by right-clicking and selecting the option to remove the comparison. This will declutter your view and bring the focus back to the original chart. Lastly, remember that this technique works best when you're in percentage scale mode. It's a simple yet powerful way to take a step back and visually interpret data without getting bogged down by the intricate details of price alone. So feel free to experiment with different coins and timeframes and enjoy the depth of information at your fingertips. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and insightful content. Good luck with your trading analysis.